watching? What are you watching?
I'm watching for Diana.
I thought it was a turtles.
I'm
What are the turtles eating? What are the turtles eating?
carrots,
And
broccoli, corn,
what else?
and lettuce.
Lettuce. And are they eating potato?
Yeah, eating potato.
And what fruits? What fruits? What kind of fruits?
Vegetable and fruits.
Like
A gold corn.
gold corn?
There's so many gold vegetable.
Wow!
This is eating turtle. May ganda siya. May gold turtle.
Wow! How about the rabbit? What are they eating?
Carrots.
Carrots only? Wow!
How about elephant?
Oh, how about elephant? What elephant's eating? Broccoli again?
Broccoli.
Wow! How about the pig?
Pigs eating apple.
Wow! They are eating apples. How about
Giraffe.
giraffe?
May eating lettuce.
They are eating lettuce. How about the snakes?
Snake eating. May snake eating
What?
sa corn.
No. They are eating meat.
Meat.
Like
No. Eating meat.
they are eating
Meat.
alive animals like chicken. What else?
Broccoli.
No.